How to archive and unarchive Instagram posts. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right. Say for example I wanted to archive this post right here. All what I need to do is click on the three dots at the top right of the post, and once you do that you will get this pop-up menu list right here from which you need to click on archive, and that post will be archived. That was the first step. Now how can we unarchive a post that we archived? It's also pretty easy. From the profile page right here, click on the three dots at the top right. You will get this menu list from which you need to click on archive, and by doing that you will be redirected to the archive and unarchive section of your Instagram account, where you will be able to find all of the archives. As you can see, the stories, the posts, the live. Make sure that you are on the posts section, and from there click on the post that you want to unarchive. Again, click on the three dots at the top right corner, and from there click on show on profile. And once you do that, you will get this pop-up window that asks you, are you sure you want to do that? And it tells you what will happen if you do that. Click on show on profile, and as you can see, the post has been unarchived. So let's go back to the profile and refresh, and as you can see, it's right here. So that was it for this video. That's how you can archive or unarchive Instagram posts. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.